she is a complete English person, and she adjusted for me and she handled me in Hindi. तो शुरुआत में जब मैंने करी NLP तो इंग्लिश मेंटोर से करी, यूके मेंटोर से, और वो इंग्लिश में बोलते थे. आई वाज लाइक कि इसको हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं. बट स्टिल आई एम रियली ग्रेटफुल फॉर यू कि आप इस वर्कशॉप का हिस्सा रहे.
It's been a real privilege to learn from you. One of the best coaches I've seen till now. I've done my coaching from so many people. I myself at NLP, I've done it from so many people. But if I have to tell you that you're such a great coach in spite of the language barrier, I'm telling you, it's really, it's a real privilege learning from you. In fact, this review is for the people who think that they cannot learn from a person speaking Hindi.
Yes.
If somebody thinks that you cannot learn from a coach who's speaking another language, for them, I'm telling you, please join this course. You'll understand it. It's just that, the way you speak, your smile, the aura that you have is phenomenal. My husband told me he's not at all a person who gets into Hindi, listening and all. He told me this guy is very good. This person is very good. What I liked about you is your commitment. Your commitment, and every topic you took, you had an explanation for that. The modules, that the way you design the modules, the hypnotic language, it is really great. And again, I love the spirituality angle that you brought out for everything. And this is my sincere review for you, Coach Ashishh. It's been great.